friends, hope you are all well. In today's video, I'll talk about top BBA colleges in Kolkata. And as you know, BBA, it is Bachelor's in Business Administration and it is a 3 years course for the students who have completed class 12 for them. And Kolkata remains the city of joy, the intellectual capital of India. So here are the list of top BBA colleges which I'll discuss. And also I will talk about their course fee, their affiliation. I'll talk about college reviews, infrastructure and facilities. Watch the video till the end because at the end I will talk about last year's cutoff for all these top BBA colleges in Calcutta. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe Apna College Net YouTube channel. And also do share this channel link with your friends. All right. The first college on the list is St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. St. Xavier's College, Kolkata is established in the year 1860 by Catholic minority religious body, the Society of Jesus. And it started its courses under affiliation with University of Calcutta. St. Xavier's College is the first autonomous college in West Bengal. It has been identified as college with potential for excellence with a special heritage status as awarded by UGC. As per NAC accreditation, it is A++ ranked. The St. Xavier's College is also ISO 9001-2015 certified college and in NIRF ranking in 2020 by Government of India. In this ranking, St. Xavier's College has secured 7th position. Now, the 3 years BBA program or the BMS degree as they tell in St. Xavier's College, it spans over 3 years and consists of 6 semesters. The BBA program at St. Xavier's College is conducted in evening session, that is the classes will be held between 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. And in the BBA program, there is only 2 specialization available in finance and in marketing. And of course, in the 3rd year, there will be internship provided to the BBA students. For BBA students, St. Xavier's College is committed to the International Student Exchange Program with St. Benedict and St. John University, Minnesota, USA, and also State University of New York, Oswego. Now let us have a look into the eligibility criteria for admission in BBA course in St. Xavier's College, Calcutta. The candidate should apply to the college via online, via website after the result publication of 10+2 examination from West Bengal board or from any recognized board considered by University of Calcutta. The second criteria is candidate must have in 10+2 program pure mathematics or business mathematics or statistics. So either of these 3 subjects is compulsory at +2 level. The minimum marks required is 60% in the aggregate with 45% marks in at least 4 subjects including English, pure mathematics, business mathematics and statistics. The course fee for 3 years of BBA program at St. Xavier's College, Kolkata is 2,35,000. This is the total fee structure. However, there are 4 categories of selection list which is being processed at St. Xavier's College, Calcutta. Category 1 where the candidates are selected based on their merit. Now, Category 2 there will be specially reservation for Catholics, the Christians, for scheduled caste candidates, for scheduled tribe candidates, OBC candidates and from candidates from the schools which are administered by Calcutta province of the Society of Jesus. In Category 3, there is also special reservation for economically challenged, physically challenged and outstanding sports persons and NCC cadets. And in Category 4, the sons and daughters of College Alumni Association members with long-standing record of service to the college and society also have reservation in this BBA batch. next college we will discuss is JD Birla Institute, in short JDBI. JDBI was established in the year 1962. The campus is located near Minto Park in the heart of the city of Calcutta. JD Birla Institute is affiliated to Jadavpur University, a world-renowned center of excellence. In acknowledgement of JD Birla Institute's continuous quest for excellence and the exemplary standards it has set and maintained through the decade, in 2010, JD Birla was awarded the highest possible grading of A by NAAC. The Department of Management's flagship BBA program has been ranked first in Eastern India and fourth nationally by India Today AC Nielsen Survey 2017. JD Birla Institute has an impressive campus to facilitate effective learning for BBA students. The spacious soundproofed air-conditioned classrooms are equipped with multimedia and audiovisual equipment, LCD projectors, and promote maximum interaction between faculty and the students. The Learning Resource Center at JDBI, with a very impressive collection of reference books, journals, magazines, newspapers, help the students to acquire more knowledge. There is state-of-the-art computer labs with LAN connectivity and 24-hour internet access, and there is 150-seater seminar hall, and there is also common students recreational area, playground for indoor and outdoor games, and the campus is completely safe and secure. The BBA program at JD Birla Institute is of 3 years regular program divided into 6 semesters. There will be 4 weeks of internship training in the final year of BBA. It is the most significant aspect of BBA course at JD Birla. Students undergo training at various organizations within and outside the city of Kolkata to gain practical experience. The final year BBA students at JD Birla Institute have got placement in Deloitte Consulting, Tata Consultancy Services, ITC Hotels, Wipro and Godrej. Candidates having good knowledge of English language are eligible for admission. The candidate must complete 10+2 examinations, securing at least 50% marks in the aggregate from any recognized board or council approved by Jadavpur University, with 4 recognized subjects, of which at least 1 must be English. The course fee for 3 years BBA course at JD Birla Institute is around 4,23,000. ILEAD, the Institute of Leadership, Entrepreneurship and Development. It is a UGC approved world-class institute. ILEAD is located near Topshia, near Science City in Calcutta. ILEAD is affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal, formerly known as West Bengal University of Technology. ILEAD has collaboration with 16 plus international universities, and in the BBA program at ILEAD, there will be 100 hours of exclusive job-oriented practical training. Apart from that, in the BBA course, there is additional certification on event management, photography, digital marketing, foreign language will also be taught free of cost. The industry-oriented training at ILEAD also includes internships, field trips, and more. And in the BBA course, there is also merit-based scholarship available. Hostel facility and education loan facility is also available for ILEAD BBA students. If you talk about the infrastructure at ILEAD, there is, of course, digital library rich with books, journals, and periodicals and audiovisual contents. The cafeteria, computer lab, language lab, football ground, cricket ground, basketball, all the facilities are available in ILEAD's centrally air-conditioned campus. Now let us look into the 3 years course fee. The BBA course fee for 3 years is 4,10,500. If you want to do BBA in real estate management, the course fee for 3 years is again 4,10,500. BBA in entrepreneurship is also 3 years course at ILEAD, and the course fee is 4,10,500. BBA in Sports Management. This is again a 3 years course. The course fee is 3,50,000. BBA in Travel and Tourism Management. Again, this is a 3 years course and the course fee is 3,80,000. So, if you have completed your class 10 plus 2 examination with 50% marks, you can apply to iLead. Brainware University Kolkata is a part of 33-year-old leading education group, Brainware Group of Institutions in West Bengal. Brainware University was established in 2016 as a UGC recognized private state university in West Bengal. Brainware University is having over 10,000 students on its state-of-art sprawling green campus. Brainware University is recognized by the University Grants Commission (UGC) and also by Association of Indian Universities (AIU). Brainware University campus is located at Ramkrishnapur Road, Barasat. If you talk about Brainware University highlights, the world-class infrastructure, modern labs and workshops, emphasis on research and extension activities, industry and international collaborations, highly qualified faculty, exhaustive pre-placement grooming and soft skill training are making Brainware University students very much industry efficient. Brainware University has signed a MOU with Livingstone College, North Carolina, USA towards developing academic and cultural interchange in teaching and research. For Brainware University BBA students, Entrepreneurship Awareness Camp in each semester of BBA is conducted with support from EDI Kolkata. Fully equipped entrepreneurship development cell for BBA students in management department is there at Brainware University. For Brainware University BBA students, industry institute interface is strengthened through live projects, workshops, seminars and industry visit. Management lab program and extensive project work based on real life data add to the industry orientation of BBA students at Brainware University, Kolkata. 360-degree placement training and support are given to BBA students at Brainware University from day one. The BBA course, Bachelor in Business Administration, is of 3 years duration. The course fee for BBA is 3,07,000. There is also BBA with specialization in digital marketing, which is of course 3 years full-time regular course. The course fee for 3 years is 3,17,200. And there is also BBA with specialization in hospital management at Brainware University. The course fee for BBA in hospital management for 3 years is 3,52,000. So candidates securing 50% marks in aggregate are eligible to apply for BBA at Brainware University. The Neotia University is established by the Ambuja Neotia Group headquartered in Kolkata. The Neotia University is recognized by University Grants Commission. The Neotia University is awarded the Best Emerging Private University. The Neotia University campus is located on Diamond Harbour Road. The Neotia University campus has Wi-Fi enabled smart classrooms, language lab, state-of-the-art laboratories. There is facility of doctors on campus with fully equipped dispensary and ambulance. Various students' clubs are present in Neotia University campus to enhance talent in the areas of technology, sports, music. Gymnasium, swimming pool, indoor-outdoor game facilities with coach and instructors are available in Neotia University campus. Separate residential accommodation for boys and girls are available inside the campus. The study material and books are issued from library without any extra cost, and medical insurance of Rs 50,000 for all individual students will be available at Neotia University till the end of the course. 25% to 100% merit and need-based scholarship on various categories on tuition fee are given to deserving candidates from Neotia University. Now, BBA with specialization in retail management is being taught at Neotia University. BBA with specialization in retail management degree at Neotia University aims at providing fundamental education in retail trading, business management principles, human capital management, finance, laws and policies concerning retail business management, decision making, financial statement analysis, wealth management, etc. The course fee for 3 years is 2,54,000. BBA honors with specialization in digital marketing at Neotia University is an extremely sought after 3 years bachelor program. The course fee for 6 semesters, 3 years duration in total is 2,54,000. BBA with specialization in logistic and supply chain management is going to fulfill the need of the high demand of the market. So BBA with specialization in logistic and supply chain management at Neotia University, the course fee is 2,54,000. The eligibility criteria is 50% marks in 10 plus 2 level in the aggregate. So applicant can apply after result publication with 50% marks in the aggregate directly to Neotia University. NSHM Kolkata is delivering academic excellence since last 25 years. With a network of 28,000 strong alumni and 500 plus industry associates, NSHM Kolkata campus is delivering 60 plus professional degree programs. NSHM is striving to create a knowledge hub of global excellence where students will learn, share and shine in an open and friendly atmosphere. NSHM Kolkata campus is located in Toliganj in Kolkata. At NSHM Kolkata, experiential learning is offered as a hallmark of the education experience that BBA students at NSHM enjoy. This is facilitated through industry workshop, training programs and mandated compulsory internships that BBA students have to undertake during their tenure of 3 years of BBA program. The corporate relation and talent transfer cell at NSHM looks after the interest of BBA students and promote the industry linkage as a channel of communication. NSHM BBA students are placed in TCS, Amazon, Godrej, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, Asian Paints and in more MNCs. Now at NSHM Kolkata, the BBA General program is of 3 years and is affiliated with West Bengal University of Technology, currently known as Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, shortly called MAKAUT. The 3 years BBA program is divided into 6 semesters. The course fee for 3 years BBA program is 4,30,000 and students can specialize in marketing and sales domain, HRM domain and in finance domain. BBA with accountancy and taxation and auditing specialization, that is also a 3 years program divided into 6 semesters. The course fee is 3,20,000. BBA with sports management specialization for 3 years duration, the course fee for 3 years is 3,75,000. BBA 3 years program with specialization in global business, the course fee is 5,40,000. BBA in hospital management, 3 years total course fee is 4,85,000. And BBA in supply chain management specialization, the course fee for 3 years is 3,75,000. And last of all, BBA in travel and tourism management specialization, the course fee is 3,75,000 for 3 years. So students, after completion of class 12 with 50% marks in the aggregate, you are eligible to apply to NSH. Hello, welcome back. So you have watched the entire video and now you know about the top BBA colleges in Kolkata, their reviews, the placements, the facilities, infrastructure and also the fee structure. As promised to you at the beginning of the video, as I told that I will talk about last year's cutoff for BBA admission in these top colleges in Kolkata. So let me get you through the cutoffs. At St. Xavier's College, Kolkata, the cutoff marks for BBA admission last year stood at 91.2% for general category candidates. For JD Birla, BBA admission 10+2 marks cutoff somewhere stood around 85% to 90%. So if your 10+2 marks is between 85% to 90%, you have a fair chance to get into JD Birla BBA course. In case of I-Lead, they follow a cumulative system of 10+2 marks plus an admission interview conducted by their faculty member. If you talk about NSHM, NSHM also follows a cumulative process of your 10+2 marks plus an written test and also an interview. So based on these 3 scores, they will consider you for admission. For Brainware University and for Neotia University, based on your 10+2 marks, as I have told you that minimum marks cutoff is around 50%, you can apply. For these 2 universities, the BBA admission is done on first come first serve basis. So these are all about last year cutoff at top BBA colleges in Kolkata. So do let me know in the comment box if you have any queries regarding BBA colleges in Kolkata. In this video, it is not possible to cover all the colleges and talk about and give reviews. However, if you have any query about any particular college, please feel free to connect to Apna College team on the contact details given in the description box. And also I have built a contact form in the comment box where you can fill up your details and I promise you to get back to you at earliest to solve your queries. And also do let me know what are the other topics you want me to make the video. Till then, take care.